If you've ever paid for a lead finding tool and it gave you a garbage list, you are not alone. So today I'm testing Lessie AI live, not theory and not a sales pitch. I'm going to use it in real time to find corporate event decision makers in northern New Jersey for my friend's DJ company. And we'll see if it can actually pull usable leads for outreach. And if the results are trash, you'll see that too. So what we're going to do exactly in this demonstration is this. First, again, a quickie intro to Lessie AI and what it does. Second, we're going to build a real lead list for corporate events in North Jersey for Chris's company. And third, we're going to use Lessie AI's built-in emailing system to create and run an email sequence, all inside of Lessie. So we're doing everything in one platform: lead search, list building, emailing, and tracking. All right, the screen recording is on, so let's run it. So Lessie AI is designed to help you find the right people faster and then run outreach without jumping between a bunch of tools. So instead of opening a lot of tabs and guessing who the right contact is, you describe the type of person you want and it returns a list of potential matches. And the big benefit for this demo is we're using Lessie not only for searching, but also for sending and tracking the outreach sequence. Let's set some expectations here. Even if the software helps you find great contacts, outreach only works when it's authentic and respectful. So in this demo, we're using publicly available professional contact information. And no, we're not spamming anyone. We are sending a short professional email with a clear purpose. And we're keeping it opt-out friendly and respectful. For this outreach, I'm targeting corporations and organizations in North Jersey. Specifically, I'm looking for people involved in planning company events, with titles like corporate event planner, event manager, meetings and events. And what we're offering is a flexible set of entertainment options with our signature show at the top, which is our DJ Alive hybrid show. So the first thing we're going to do is open up a new chat. And let me go ahead and grab my prompt. And there it is. Find corporate event decision makers at corporations and organizations in northern New Jersey, prioritize titles. So that is all in there. And just like that, we press the find button. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so the reason why my prompt works is because I'm telling Lessie exactly who I want, where they are, and what qualifies as a strong lead, so I don't get a random list. So as you can see here, Lessie generated 80 contacts for me, and it rated them. So look, this high one here, up here, this is 96% accurate, but it says human resources located in Jersey, HR decision maker, some type of service here, and then you'll see the numbers start to decline, the percentage start to decline as the contact becomes less relevant. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through this list right now, and I'm going to delete anyone who I believe should not be on this list, because again, we are going to send an email out in bulk to all of these contacts. Okay, good. Located in Jersey. These are all Jersey companies. These are office managers and managers. That's great. And this is the first time that we're doing this. Our DJ company has been in business for over 2 decades, and we have never reached out to corporations or organizations like we're doing today. So this is going to be such an amazing test. If this works, this could be big success for the company. Okay, come on down here. All right, and we have to check for emails, and right here it's saying check. Right now it's still loading. It looks like we have 66 fully matched contacts. That's amazing. And here are partially matched contacts. Now I'm not sure why it deemed these as partially matched. Let's take a look. Hillside, New Jersey, HR decision maker. Nope, office decision, maybe, likely. Okay, so because possibly that they have not been designated as some type of administration or some type of office manager. And I think I also want to make sure that I'm not sending emails out to an entertainment company, right? So let's check the companies. Okay, so we're good. So now we have to go ahead and check the emails. All right, so we just checked the whole list, and there are a bunch missing, but that's okay because it looks like we have a nice handful of emails that we can send to, that we're going to send to. And remember, this is just one search. I could also re-prompt it All right, so let's go ahead. Let me show you how to do the emails on this. So right here on the top, you're going to go to Email Compose. And then this just says there are locked and missing emails. Unlock and email selected people. Okay, all we're going to do is email selected people, so that's 63. And listen, even if one person books in this list, then this company can make a few $1,000s off of this one list. So, right, that's the objective. We want to make money. Okay, and now I already pre-drafted the email. Let me grab that. Okay, the email is drafted. And let me just show you up here. This is the from email, so you'd have to set up your own from email address. And I have two in here. I have Lessie's and I have mine. I'm actually using the one from Gmail. So I'm just opting to use my Gmail. I'm sending from JP Dynamics LLC. And let's just make sure this looks okay. And let's see if you're open, I can send a quick one-page overview. Yep, so this looks good. Are you the right person to speak with about events, or should I contact someone else on your team? Okay, we are ready to go. Everything looks great. And can I attach something here? Attach file. Perfect. All right, let me grab that flyer. Okay, so we're good to go, and I'm not going to upload the attachment. However, in my next email, my follow-up email, I will. So in about 15 days, I will follow up, and then an additional 15 days, I will do it one more time. So this is Lesie AI. Let me know your thoughts about this, but this has saved me so much time, and yes, it is making me money in my other business. It works, right? It filters out all the noise of looking for qualified leads. So hopefully, everyone, I will see you all on the next video. And make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, because we are all about finding software just like this to help you guys become successful in everything that you do. All right, I will see you on the next video.